Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for data science events with Microsoft Learn detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Learn and hit enter. Once on the Microsoft Learn homepage, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type data science events into the search bar. Press enter to view the search results. Browse through the results to find the specific data science event you are interested in. Click on the event title to open its details page. On the event details page, read through the description and requirements. Look for the register button, usually located towards the top or middle of the page. Click the register button to proceed. You may be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new one. Follow the prompts to set up your new Microsoft account. Once logged in, complete any required registration fields, such as name, email, and organization. Review the event details and registration information carefully. Confirm your registration by clicking the final Submit or Register button. After successful registration, check your email for a confirmation message. This email usually contains event details and a calendar invite. Make sure to add the event to your calendar for easy access later. That's it. You are now registered for the data science event through Microsoft Learn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.